Drunk driving case has now officially been dismissed. It comes after a judge says a DWI checkpoint at the center was unconstitutional. We spoke with our legal expert, John Day, about this case against an Albuquerque police officer. Here's Jason McNabb.
1, 2, 3.
This was in May of 2025. APD officer Jonathan Franco stopped at a DWI checkpoint at Unser and Rainbow. He was accused of driving drunk with a child in the car. KOAT obtaining that footage 5 months after the incident. But now, a judge saying the setup for the checkpoint, ran by the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office, was unconstitutional because deputies did not follow the rules.
The rules have to be followed to a T, and if the law enforcement agencies don't follow them, it doesn't matter if the driver admits to drinking or blows a breath test that's over the legal limit or fails the field sobriety test.
In New Mexico, the Supreme Court ruled checkpoints are allowed. They must follow a list of 8 rules, including the requirement that supervisors must plan the checkpoint's location and procedures, not the officers in the field. In this case, the court found that a deputy was acting as both officer and a supervisor.
If the basic underlying part of the sobriety checkpoint is unconstitutional because they haven't followed those rules, then all the cases get thrown out.
The judge also said the state failed to clearly show the officer's discretion was tightly limited, meaning the court was not convinced the checkpoint was run under strict enough rules.
Somebody has to place discretion and limitations on the officers in the field. Deputy Marquez was not one of those persons. He doesn't have the authority.
After the judge suppressed the checkpoint stop, prosecutors could not move forward with the case. KOAT legal expert John Day saying the ruling could have implications beyond this case.
If the judge said anyone who is convicted at that checkpoint essentially can argue their case and say, well, mine ought to be thrown out too.
The case was dismissed without prejudice, meaning charges could still be refiled, and the state could also appeal the judge's ruling. But for now, the court's decision means the case against Franco cannot move forward.
This court finds that the checkpoint on May 3rd and 4th, 2025, on which Mr. Franco was stopped, was unconstitutional as it was an unreasonable seizure of Mr. Franco.